Ever thought a bowl could be both incredibly nourishing and leaving you fantastic? Today, we're diving into a vibrant AIP-friendly creation, a hearty and happy meal. So get ready to transform simple ingredients into a Mediterranean-inspired explosion that will leave you satisfied. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. Our AIP hearty and happy meal, a bowl brimming with gently cooked cauliflower, those mighty little powerhouse sardines, and the luxurious warmth of saffron, isn't just a meal. It's a hug in a bowl that nourishes from the inside out. You heard it. Yes, it's an unusual combination, but trust me, this is a flavorful mix that you'll love. So let's create our cauliflower sardines con saffron bowl together. Into a teapot, we warm up our filtered water just enough before it reached boiling. Into a little bowl, we need 2 tablespoons of the warm water and place 3 to 4 saffron threads. Leave it to steep for about 15 to 30 minutes to allow it to release its color and flavor. Prepare our cauliflower florets into rice cut using a rotary grinder. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. And diced scallions. Into a small pan, we will use a tablespoon of garlic oil to sauté our minced garlic. Add the sardines. Sauté. And cover. And break it into tiny bits using a fork. Simmer over medium heat until it is slightly reduced. Then slowly add the cup of the cauliflower rice and the steeped saffron threads into the pan. Add a dash of salt and with a dash of powdered onion. Turn over to mix it well. Cover for a minute. And ready to serve. Garnish with diced scallions and sliced avocado and toasted garlic bits. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our AIP hearty and happy meal. Cauliflower sardines con saffron bowl. How quick was that? This recipe is a perfect example of how delicious and satisfying the autoimmune protocol can be. It's all about embracing wholesome foods and finding creative ways to make them shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people who are looking for delicious and healing AIP recipes. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Gule gule!